Alright, so this is with the flash off the camera so we can really see the dark detector in action. I'm going to use this container to put over the LDR, which is over here, and as I cover it completely, you see the LED goes on nice and bright, and as I remove it, the LED goes off. I'm going to put the cover over again, and I'm going to remove it. It's nice and sensitive. And it just works very, very solidly. I really like this paperclip spiral coupling idea. Alright, one moment, and let me put the flash back on. Alright, so just one more thing I wanted to make sure that I note that there is a neodymium magnet in the middle, and you have them on each end of the battery. And of course you have your neodymium to connect to your circuit. And other than that, you can get this circuit diagram in the description for this video. And I hope you have a lot of fun making those circuits. Alright, take care everyone.